How to open Halifax bank account online. So first, go ahead and open any browser and type Halifax account and go ahead and click on the official website. So this first site right here. So go ahead and scroll down and you can choose the type of account that you're looking to create. So you can just look through this and see which account it is that you want. And once you find it, go ahead and click on the current account or the account name. And go ahead and scroll down. So click on apply as a new customer, and if you're already an existing Halifax customer, click on I'm an existing customer. So I'm going to click on apply as a new customer. So go ahead and scroll down and then click on continue. So go ahead and click on no and click no again and click on yes. So scroll down and then click on continue. So here you'll need to type in your personal information. So go ahead and type in your first name, your middle name, your last name, your gender, your title, date of birth, and country. And once you fill in this page, you can click on continue and it'll just ask you some more details about yourself. And as you fill it in, and then once it's verified, then your account will be created. So this is how to create Halifax bank account online.